Hi friends, I just wanted to do a little overview about Montana landlord rights. So when I look on YouTube, it seems like there's like 4 videos about Montana landlord laws. As you can see, maybe 5 videos, and then it goes into Nevada. So there does not seem to be, at least, not a whole lot that I saw. So there's Montana Department of Justice with an Office of Consumer Protection, and that seems to have kind of the best information about legal assistance, information, law, discrimination, and it kind of had some basic information about rental agreements. I think that's like, I mean, it's pretty, for me, I found this to be pretty vague. And so you get to look at the actual law, and so it says, like, in this page, illegal provisions. This is kind of, I mean, it's important, but I think it doesn't really include other kind of standard illegal provisions. Anyway, so here at the Office of Consumer Protection, you can look up landlord responsibilities, tenant responsibilities, and rent repairs, actions moving out, deposits, evictions, tenant violations. So just wanted to show that. And so here's, if you go to https://leg.mt.gov.bills.mca, so it's /MCA title. So we're in a laws page, MCA contents, and we're looking at Title 70, Chapter 24, Part 3. And so this is code 7024-321, tenant to maintain 1 unit. So these are like that's the tenant law, and then the Fair Housing Act. And this is definitely high level legalese. It's found it's like, it seems like a different page, but it's still called the United States Department of Justice. I'm just trying to get the other page, but there isn't a whole lot that I found helpful in those pages initially, just because I was getting my mind kind of just trying to get comprehend leases and the law. So I did a search, and I found something called Montana Law Help. And it's weird because there is something called, like, it's supposed to be the advocacy, so it's montanalawhelp.org. However, that page really did not help me. It's kind of a joke. I don't understand. Okay, so this is it. Montana Law Help, and it almost seems like it's a template page. So, so we go to, so let's say you've just landed here. You're going to look at tenant. You want to look at housing issues. So bear with me. I've got a slow connection and too many things open. So we selected housing, and then, well, it didn't show me this before, but maybe that was my device. So let us look at rental agreements. So I'm gonna click on that, but I just wanted to, while that is loading, I wanted to show up. So there's NOLO Press, which has a lot of good information about rentals, and So Novo Press has a lot of information about legal research and landlord law. So I recommend this nolo.com legal encyclopedia overview landlord tenant laws. So I would do a search of landlord tenant laws in Montana, and Novo Press will show up. And there's just like required landlord disclosure, what a landlord's supposed to tell you. This is about protecting your security deposit, and you want to, like, a landlord is supposed to tell you, give you a list of um, how the property, like an inspection report, before you sign a lease. And it looks like um, property managers would penalize you for previous damages. So you want to have them complete a checklist of inspecting your property. And uh, this is another thing that I found really helpful just as a beginner, because this kind of highfalutin legal stuff is confusing. So this was also, it's like, this wasn't from the page that I was on, but it is from, like, the URL is one thing I don't have, but the page is, um, it actually seems to be written for landlords. So this is the Montana Landlords Rights and Duties Handbook. But this seems like it's geared for the landlord, but there's a lot of helpful information about renters' rights. And then here is a Montana tenant landlord guide. And again, it's to a Montana level, but I was unable to find it at the website that we were looking at. So anyway, well, so Montana level actually did load, and it looks like there's information there. And I would say it's really important to take a look at your lease before you sign. It seems like we kind of can jeopardize and give away all the rights. So, like I said, I'm going to the requirements, and I still need to figure this out, but I guess we should be able to um, make adjustments to it if it's um, not like if it seems like to fail to protect you as well, because the lease agreement should protect both of us. So anyways, I hope this is helpful, and definitely take a look at all of those websites and do a search, because there is more information out there, and I'm just hoping to kind of uh, help out a little bit. So I'm sending all the best prayers for all of us as we're navigating housing. So thank you for watching.